Hey guys, welcome back. So today we have a treat especial. We did get the Widebody kit in, but first things first, who rings the doorbell and then just walks away and drops off a crate? The same kind of person that leaves the crate on my kid's quad. Like, he literally set that down on the quad. That box doesn't look in that great of condition either. So, pretty sure this is why he was so quick to get out of here, because they crushed the crud out of his crate. So we'll have to open this up. Oh my goodness. Yeah, we'll have to open this up and take a look, because this does not look good. So we'll take some pictures, open it up, and let's see. Look at that bulge. I really hope all this is alright, but this is nuts. Alright, let's go ahead and crack this open and see if there's any damage. So far, I don't see any damage up front. A lot of fiberglass dust from it being manufactured. Rear quarter panels. I don't know, that corner up top looks a little... Let's fold it down and take a look. Yahoo!
Yippee-ki-yay, motherfucker!
Well, so far I am impressed. Looks good. I love the way this opens up at the bottom. We'll do a front spoiler at the bottom and make it work. I'm gonna fill in this little ridge line from the hood. And we also got to figure out if we're gonna have to do a scoop on this one as well or not. And let's take a look at our wide body fenders for the rear. Alright, look at this. So these guys are 2 inches wider than the stock fender panels. So should look pretty snazzy. I think we'll go and just slap this on the side of a body and see what it looks like. Then yeah, definitely got an extra 2 inches down here. Won't be able to get it to sit all the way down until we actually get working on this, but it's looking pretty good. And then this other one right here, before we install this, we're gonna patch up this hole, flush it out, just because I'm not gonna have a filler cap right there, because we got it in the rear. So, it's pretty badass. So it's pretty windy outside, and I wanted to give you guys a kind of a sneak preview of what this entire body kit is gonna look like on the 944. I absolutely love it and can't wait to tear into the 944. And I know that we just got it running and we got it all tuned in, and why the hell would I tear it back apart? But I have wanted to do this wide body kit on the 944 for about 4 years now. So I am super excited to actually be at the point where we can take and disassemble the entire front end and get this on there. So what would an unboxing video be if we just stopped at one single box? So what I do have is I have more. And this package is from Hungary or Vengre, depending where you're from. And kind of goes hand in hand with our body kit. Mainly because our body kit does not have headlights in it. So what we got here is some headlight buckets. Kind of want to keep this receipt. So we got our lenses, and then we have our fiberglass buckets. So this is the left one, and to go with those, instead of halogens, we have these angel eye ones. So we'll have to notch out this back a little bit more just to get this to fit in here right. But to kind of give you an idea, this is what it's gonna look like. And then the inside here, the center portion, as well as this lower bar, when it's just the daytime running lights, the lower bar is lit up and that little eye is lit up red, which looks super freaking cool. And I don't have anything to power it up right now to show you guys, but you're gonna have to trust me on this. It's gonna look top notch. So let me get the lens and then kind of give you a preview look of it all together. We'll put this film back on here later, but just to give you guys an idea of what this is all gonna look like, take a look at that. So that is gonna look absolutely freaking phenomenal on the 944, especially with that body kit. So the way we're gonna install this is we're gonna take this, put this on our the top upper surface of it, mark out our perimeter, because we have a line on the body kit where this upper edge is supposed to be, as well as where the hood edge is supposed to be on this side. So we'll line this up and then mark out our perimeter, cut it out, put on a fiberglass backing plate to install this to, and then bond this entire bucket to the bottom of that. So we'll install So on the hood itself, we're gonna notch it all out, do a backing area where it's gonna have some fiberglass built up where we can set the lens onto. And then the bucket itself, this guy right here, we're gonna bond it using some panel bond to the bottom side of the fiberglass piece. And then because we're gonna have these lights and then our parking lights, marker lights, all on the fender, we're gonna take and do little quick bonds for all the wiring, and then we're gonna do a cannon plug connector for all of this. So when we go to pull the hood off, all you have to do is just do a quarter turn and pull it apart, and then all of our lights are disconnected. It should be 7 wires. It should be 6 wires for all of this, and so we only need a 6-pin plug, disconnect it, and then you can pull the entire front end off. And then for a front end, we're gonna have some quick latches, and then some of those push button quick releases on the lower extremities to be able to pull the entire front end off. This should be spectacular on car shows, to just be able to pull the front end off and just set it aside. And then as we move forward with that, we'll go ahead and do our, since we'll have our entire front end off the car, we're gonna go ahead and take care of our Hydro Boost unit at the same time. We're gonna swap over that front end and just take care of it all as one big project. I was hoping to do, little minor projects here and there, but it's just not gonna work out that way. The best way to do this is once we have the front end off, to just take care of it all at the same time, get it installed, and then we can finalize it. And the best part is, once these body pieces are on there, those were the pieces that were all that flat black undercoat spray paint on them. And once those are replaced, we can take all this down, the entire car down, and get it custom wrapped in something I think you guys will love. And as we move forward with this, I'll give you little hints here and there what it's gonna look like, but I believe you guys are gonna absolutely love it. Yeah, anyways, like, share, subscribe, comment down below. Let me know what you think the coloring theme is gonna be for the 944. I would love to hear your thoughts on it. Maybe one of you guys will be spot on, and I'll let you know. Thank you for supporting the channel. Thank you for watching my videos. And I'll see you guys on the next episode.